Welcome to Patching Protocol Training Video Series. This is video number 3, and we are going to dig deeper into each LifeWave patch functions. Let's start with Energy Enhancer Patches. Energy patches are a natural way to improve the energy flow in the body without having to use any kind of stimulants like caffeine, for example. First, the most important thing about energy patches is that there are two of them, a white patch and a tan patch. You can think of the white patch as being positive and the tan patch as being negative. The reason there are two different patches is because the body is divided into bioelectrical zones, and there are both positive and negative. So we will be applying a white positive patch to a positive location on the body, and we will be applying a tan negative patch to a negative location on the body. You will see that most of the time we specify white to right, tan to left, or WRTL as a short form. Also, energy patches have the important function to stimulate acupuncture meridians, or channels, and increase the level of energy flow, or qi. In later videos, we will start talking more specifically on this area. Now we are going to talk about LifeWave patches. LifeWave are a very unique set of patches to relieve pain. The amazing thing about LifeWave patches is that most of the time you would be able to experience a 50% or better relief of pain within just 1 minute. How is this possible? Well, LifeWave patches, like other LifeWave products, are not putting any type of drugs or any type of materials into the body. They simply create a bioelectrical effect that is relieving pain. That's why it can work so quickly. There are also two different LifeWave patches, a white positive patch and a tan negative patch. The important thing to point out is that LifeWave tan or negative patches are generally placed directly to the point of pain, and the white patch could be placed, for example, at the sternum, or also parallel to the tan patch directly in line at the other side of the body. We will cover in detail more advanced pain-relieving techniques in a later video. Now we are going to talk about Glutathione patches. Simply put, placing a single glutathione patch on your body, you will get glutathione antioxidant production from morning to night. You could research on your own the importance of glutathione plays in our body, which, by the way, is called the master antioxidant, and it is interesting to point out that researchers have shown that by elevating glutathione levels in your body, you will actually elevate the other antioxidant levels in your body as well. Glutathione is also one of the most powerful materials known at being able to detoxify the body of heavy metals. Glutathione has a potent effect on protecting the body's protein structures, such as the collagen in our skin. As we age, our immune system becomes weaker and more susceptible to outside invaders. It is well known that glutathione is a centerpiece of our immune system and can help protect our body from harm and damage. Glutathione is a white positive patch and is placed generally to a positive location or across the midline of our body. Now we are going to talk about Carnosine patches. Carnosine has the remarkable ability of functioning as an antioxidant that protects the interior of our cells. Carnosine also has the unique ability of cleaning the inside of the cells. This might surprise you because in studies that have been done with Carnosine, what has been shown is quite remarkable. That old, dying cells that were supplemented with Carnosine over a very short period of time looked like young and healthy cells. Another benefit that people experience from using the Carnosine patch is a dramatic improvement in athletic performance. By placing a single Carnosine patch, you will elevate your body's level of Carnosine. Carnosine is a white positive patch and is placed generally to a positive location or across the midline of our body. Now we're going to talk about Silent Nights patches. Silent Nights is a new approach to improve the quality of sleep without the use of harmful drugs. Simply put, if we could slow down our brainwaves, we can produce natural sleep without drugs, and that's exactly how Silent Nights works. There are several different locations recommended for applying the Silent Nights patch. Silent Nights is a white positive patch and is placed generally to a positive location or across the midline of our body. There are more advanced protocols published on our site, specifically for insomnia, chronic insomnia, snoring, a good night's sleep, etc. Now we are going to talk about SP6 Complete patches. SP6 Complete patches are a natural way to control our appetite, and it might help reducing cravings. Also, a research demonstrated that a single SP6 Complete patch worn on a specific acupressure acupoint 12 hours daily over a period of 1 week produced a highly significant improvement in the physiologic functional status of the liver, pancreas, kidneys with an average statistical power increased 97%, and a very significant improvement in the functional status of the thyroid, intestines, and hypothalamus with an average power increase of 87%, and a significant improvement in the adrenal glands with an average statistical power increase of 75%. SP6 Complete is a white negative patch and is placed generally to a negative location on the body. Lastly, we are going to talk about Eon Patches. Eon Patches are simply amazing. That's it. Using Eon Patches on a regular basis, what benefits would you receive? Well, Eon has a direct improvement on the body's antioxidant system, and even we could achieve elevated glutathione levels with a glutathione patch, and because Eon Patches reduce stress, it helps to conserve the body's level of glutathione, so directly complements the use of the glutathione patch. This translates into improved levels of energy, reduction in pain and inflammation, improved skin quality and appearance, reduction in stress and inflammation, improvement in organ function, improvement in the way you handle stress. Eon complements all other LifeWave patches, and wearing them in combination may result in an enhancement of all other patches' benefits. Eon is a white positive patch and is placed generally to a positive location or across the midline of our body.